Most people hear reliable used car and immediately think Toyota. And yeah, Toyotas are great. But there are BMWs sitting on used lots right now, priced under $12,000. That will go just as far if you know exactly which ones to buy. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUV Hype. Let's get into it. Number 8, 2000 to 2006 BMW X5 3.0i E53. The first-gen X5 gets dismissed constantly. People hear early 2000s BMW SUV and run the other way. But there are two completely different ownership experiences hiding in this generation depending on which engine is under the hood. The one you want is the 3.0i, powered by BMW's M54 inline-six. That's the same engine that earned a cult following in the E46 and E39. BMW enthusiasts on E46 fanatics have documented M54 engines surpassing 500,000 kilometers on the original block. It's naturally aspirated, no turbo complexity, no high-pressure fuel pumps, and traditional port fuel injection. No carbon buildup on intake valves, the way modern direct injection engines suffer. Absolutely avoid the N62 V8 found in the 4.4i and 4.8 IIS after 2003. That motor has a well-documented history of valve stem seal failure and secondary air injection system failures. Skip it entirely. For the M54 3.0i, the cooling system is your job on day one. The plastic expansion tank, thermostat housing, and water pump all age out and crack. Budget $300 to $500 in parts and replace everything immediately. Front control arm bushings wear on a 60,000-mile cycle. Factor that in too. Handle those two items and you're looking at a luxury SUV that runs deep into the 200,000-mile range. Prices are sitting between $5,000 and $9,000. That's a lot of BMW for the money. Number 7, 1997 to 2003 BMW 528i E39. The E39 5 Series is widely considered the high watermark of BMW's engineering era. CarGurus describes it as the most rewarding to drive of all 5 Series models, and the inline-six versions are the sweet spot for reliability. The 528i runs the M52 or M52TU, the 530i runs the M54. Both are naturally aspirated, both dodge the timing chain guide failures that plague the V8 models. What you're buying is a full luxury sedan, real wood trim, supple leather, one of the best steering feels of anything built in that era, for $5,000 to $10,000. The catch is honest: dead pixels on the dashboard display, finicky window regulators, and minor electrical gremlins are documented facts of life on a car this age. None of them strand you, none are catastrophically expensive, but they're there. BMW called the transmission fluid lifetime. That was wrong. Change it every 50,000 to 60,000 miles. Beyond that, give one of these engines proper oil changes and a refreshed cooling system, and it wants to run forever. A forum member on E46 Fanatics documented 410,000 miles on an UC 395 30IM 54 being driven daily. That's what this engine is capable of. Number 6, 2001 to 2005 BMW 33OI E46. BMW purists call the E46 one of the last analog BMWs. No electric steering, no driver assistance nannies, just a 225 horsepower M54 inline-six and one of the sharpest chassis setups BMW ever built. Owners consistently describe the M54 as bulletproof as long as you don't overheat it. The cooling system is the story again. Expansion tanks crack, radiators bow, water pumps fail. On a 20-year-old car, assume they need replacing if you can't verify it was done. A complete cooling refresh runs $400 to $700 in parts and eliminates the only real catastrophic failure risk this engine has. Also, inspect the rear subframe mounting points for corrosion before buying. It's a documented issue on higher mileage examples. Past those items, owners routinely push the M54 past 200,000 miles without touching the internals. Clean E4633 OI examples are priced between $7,000 and $12,000. If you want a proper driver's BMW without spending real money, this is it. Number 5, 2007 to 2010 BMW 328 EI E90/E92 N5 2 only. Here's where year selection matters a lot. The E90 and E923 series ran the naturally aspirated N5 to inline-six through this generation, and the N5-2 is the engine you want. It won a spot on Ward's Top 10 Best Engines list in both 2006 and 2007. No turbo, no intercooler, no forced induction failure points. Internal engine stress is significantly lower than the turbo engines that followed it. One outlet documented a 250,000-mile E93-28i that spent under $3,000 total on repairs beyond routine maintenance. Vanos solenoids are the most common item that needs attention around 150,000 miles. They're inexpensive and take 20 minutes to replace. Beyond that, valve cover gasket and oil filter housing gasket leaks, classic BMW stuff, both manageable. Avoid 2006 models due to a documented steering lock fault. Stick to 2007 and later. Clean E90328. Eye examples are at $8,000 to $12,000. A rear-wheel drive sports sedan with a proven naturally aspirated inline-six at that price is hard to argue with. Number 4, 2012 to 2015 BMW 335i F30 with the N55. This is where people who know BMWs stop and pay attention. The N55, the single turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six in the F3335i, replaced the twin-turbo N54 and shed a lot of that earlier engine's complexity. It's widely described as one of BMW's most balanced turbocharged engines. The main long-term maintenance item is carbon buildup on intake valves, standard with direct injection. Walnut blasting the intake every 60,000 to 80,000 miles handles it. Known cost of ownership, not a reliability crisis. Euro Premium Parts, which publishes detailed engine breakdowns, describes the N55 as robust and capable of high mileage with regular maintenance. The timing chain issues that plagued early N20-powered 328i models are not the same story here. F3335i models are sitting at $10,000 to $14,000. For a turbocharged inline-six sports sedan at that price, it's a strong play. Number 3, 2016 BMW 328i F30. If the 335i is more than you need, here's the budget pick in the same generation, but the year matters critically. The N24 cylinder that powered the 328i from 2012 to 2015 had a documented timing chain guide problem. Plastic guides would fail, the chain would lose tension, and the result was catastrophic engine damage. BMW fixed this in production, and models from early 2015 onward are past the issue, so the 2016 model year is the one to target. BMW even issued an extended warranty covering timing chain failures on prefix and 20 engines for 7 years, or 70,000 miles, which tells you everything about how real the problem was. If a seller is pushing a 2013 or 2014 328, to without documentation of the timing chain being addressed, walk away. The 2016 328i with the revised N20 is a genuinely different car. The turbocharged 4-cylinder delivers 240 horsepower and 0 to 60 in the low 5-second range. Watch the water pump. RepairPal rates it to around 60,000 miles, so factor that replacement into your budget. Otherwise, you're looking at a modern composed sports sedan for $10,000 to $14,000. Know the year, get the right one. Number 2, 2009 to 2011 BMW 328i xDrive E90. Everything that made the E90 328, I earn its spot at number 5 applies here, with one addition, xDrive all-wheel drive. If you're somewhere with real winters, the xDrive E90 changes the game without changing the engine underneath. The only addition to your maintenance list is transfer case fluid. Change it every 50,000 miles. The xDrive hardware is generally reliable and doesn't add meaningful complexity the way BMW's later AWD systems do. You still have the N52 inline-six, still naturally aspirated, still capable of 250,000-mile longevity with proper care. Clean xDrive. E90 examples sit between $8,000 and $13,000. An all-wheel drive BMW 3 Series with a naturally aspirated inline-six at that price is genuinely one of the most underpriced things you can find on a used lot right now. Number 1. 2002 to 2005 BMW 3.3 OIE46 with the 5-speed manual. Number 1, and the reason it tops the list isn't just the car, it's the combination. The E46 330i with the Getrag 5-speed manual is the configuration BMW enthusiasts universally point to as the most mechanically pure setup this generation offered. The M54 makes 225 horsepower. The manual adds zero electronic complexity, no adaptive dampers to fail, no shift programs to worry about, no dual clutch actuators. It's a driver's car in the most fundamental sense. E46 Fanatics members have documented 236,000 miles on original M54 engines with zero internal mechanical work. The internals, bearings, crank, connecting rods, hold up extraordinarily well when oil changes are consistent and the cooling system is maintained. What kills E46s isn't the engine, it's deferred cooling system maintenance and neglected fluids. Handle those on purchase, and you have a rear-wheel drive sports sedan that enthusiasts still pay a premium to find in clean examples. Manual E4633 OI examples run $7,000 to $12,000. For the combination of reliability, driving feel, and value, nothing on this list touches it. That's your number 1. So there it is. 8 BMWs that will genuinely go the distance without breaking the bank. Every single car on this list has a documented, well-understood set of maintenance items. None of them are guesswork or mysteries. Know what they are, address them up front, and you're holding something that will run reliably for years. Subscribe if you want more deep dives like this. Thanks for watching.